hello. My mind is mobile learning, mobile based, improve loss, improve writing. Microblog en Edmo, Radio Autor. Microblog Edmo. Edmo, this is platform for is student teacher and teacher. Author, writer, learn, and for teacher students. Mobile learning. Mobile learning is strategies, videos, audios, and films transmitted over the internet. Digital literary. Mobile learning, digital literary is this is meant use the computer, including run skill and interpret text, song, and imagine. Play strategic learning. Mobile based is social skill, error, category. Social skill is audios, videos, strategy, error, category of error. Improving writing is collaboration, maintain problem solving. Improving writing, combining collaboration entre student and teacher. This is a strategy improving our teacher learning. We have to have technology made toward strategy learning important. Thank you. Bye.